Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Terraform Cloud for AI infrastructure automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authorize Terraform Cloud for AI infrastructure automation, begin by ensuring you have a Terraform Cloud account. Log into your Terraform Cloud account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings section in the top menu. Under Settings, locate and select API Tokens. Click on Create API Token to generate a new token. Make sure to label your API token for easy identification. After creating the token, copy it to your clipboard. Next, open your terminal or command prompt. Install the Terraform CLI if you haven't done so already. Configure Terraform to use your new API token by running the command. Enter Terraform login followed by your API token when prompted. Set up a working directory for your Terraform project. In this directory, create a new file named main.tf. Define the necessary provider for your AI infrastructure in this file. Specify the required resources, including any AI services you plan to use. To authenticate with your provider, include any credentials needed in the main.tf file. Save your changes to the main.tf file. Initialize your Terraform project with the command Terraform init. Review the execution plan by running Terraform plan. Ensure that the proposed changes match your expectations. If everything looks good, proceed by executing Terraform apply. Confirm the apply action when prompted. Terraform will now provision your AI infrastructure based on the configuration you provided. Monitor the progress in the terminal for any errors or warnings. Once the deployment is complete, verify your infrastructure in Terraform Cloud. Make any necessary adjustments to your configuration as needed. Finally, document your setup for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.